Hi Sundowner friends, this is Mike from Modern Muscle Cars, welcoming you back to Sundowner's largest toy hauler dealership in the nation. This week's feature is this 3986 SOM slide open model. You've seen this unit before. Here's a 3986 open trailer that was ordered for a customer. He's picking it up tomorrow morning. Yes, it's back again, this time to be sold as a pre-owned unit, and it is even better than before. Starting at the gooseneck, we have this Sundowner Surge Hitch with a little airbag here where you can adjust the pressure and really smooth out the ride as you go down the road. With this keyless entry, you just punch in your code and you can lock and unlock the front door. You look at the paint on this toy hauler and you think it's a brand new trailer, but it's actually over 2 years old. What's the secret? Another high dollar option. The whole trailer has been ceramic coated. It's so smooth, so slick that nothing sticks to it. Not dirt, not water, not anything. Check this out. Spray it on, it immediately drips off, doesn't leave any stains. The tires have been upgraded to 14-ply Hercules tires with TPMS. You hear any noise? I barely do. But that buzz is the Onan 5500 generator up on the roof, running and powering everything, including the two 15K ACs that are keeping that unit nice and cold. What else is there room for up there? Well, you got some extra storage space, and this one has an extra 50-gallon fresh water tank. That's an extra, giving you over 100 gallons of fresh water on this toy hauler. Lots of space to work with here in this kitchen, along with a double stainless sink. And if you guys wait a few minutes after we complete the video, I got some brownies coming up in the oven. The rear of this toy hauler gives you 12 feet of usable toy space, 7 feet 9 inches tall, 82 inches between the fenders, and includes this rubber coin mat that you can roll out when you're done using the toys. What else can you do when you're done with the toys? And there you have a beautiful, comfortable living room, along with a fireplace, TV, entertainment system, and 2 comfortable recliners. For eating, we have 2 bar stools and this little countertop, or this comfortable dine out for 4, which is on a slide, and also turns into a bed. Friends, this is a beautiful toy hauler with lots of high dollar options and some really nice touches. This unit is for sale now, available for pickup or delivery. Call me, visit us online, and contact us, and we can set you up with this trailer soon.